Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you the practical number 7 of soft computing lab manual. Aim is the write a program to implement fuzzy set operation and its properties. All of you know about the set theory. The basic difference between the set and the fuzzy set is that the fuzzy set is defined by its vague and ambiguous properties, hence the boundaries are specified ambiguously. This diagram shows the membership function of fuzzy set A, whereas mu is the membership function, X is the universal set, A is the fuzzy set. Fuzzy set is denoted by using the letter A and the tilde symbol on the top of it. In the classical set, the fuzzy set characteristic function assigns a value of either 1 or 0 to each individual in the universal set, thereby discriminating between members and non-members of the Cripps set under consideration. There are different operations of the fuzzy set such as union, intersection, complement. First we will see the union operation. Union operation is denoted by using the symbol U. So in this diagram, this mu is the membership function. These are the two sets A and B. X is the universal set. Union operation is defined by using the formula mu A union B of X equal to mu A of X union mu B of X. In the union operation, simply we are going to find out the max element of this set A and B. Hence, all the portion of the set A and set B are the shaded. The next operation is the intersection. Intersection operation is denoted by using this symbol. Intersection operation is defined as mu A intersection B of X equal to mu A of X intersection mu B of X. In the intersection operation, simply we are going to find out the minimum element of the set A and set B. Hence, only the small triangle is shaded. Third operation is the complement. This complement operation is denoted by this symbol A and the horizontal line on the top of this A. Complement operation is defined as mu A of X equal to 1 minus mu A of X. This diagram shows the complement of fuzzy set A. These are the some properties of the fuzzy sets such as commutative, associative, distributive, idempotence, identity, transitivity, and involution. These properties are similar to the set theory properties. Commutative properties shows that A union B equal to B union A and A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Now next we will see the program. You will have to perform this program in the MATLAB software. So first user will enter the two matrix. The input command is used to take input from the user and we are storing that input in the variable U. Similarly, the second matrix is stored in the variable V. Now there are three options: 1 union, second intersection, 3 complement. If user will enter the operation 1, then the union operation is performed. In union operation, the max element of set U and V is calculated and store that value in the W. If user enters the option 2, then the intersection operation will be performed. Means here P equal to min of U comma V means the minimum element of set U and V are calculated. If user enter the option 3, then complement of the first matrix or the second matrix is calculated. So if the user wants the complement of the first matrix, then M equal to size of U, means the size of U is stored in the M. Q equal to ones of M minus U. Ones operation returns an n by n matrix of ones and the first matrix is stored in U. So simply complement means we are going to subtract the matrix elements from 1. Then display Q. Else if user wants the complement of the second matrix, that is V, then M equal to size of V, Q equal to ones of M minus size of V or minus V, then display Q. So this is the program to find out the fuzzy set operations. If you run this code in the MATLAB, then you will get this output. You have to perform the union, intersection and complement operation on these two sets. This is the set A and this is the set B. So if user enters the option 1, means union option, then maximum element between these two sets is the output. In the first matrix, the elements are 1, 0.4, 0.6 and 0.3. In the second matrix, the elements are 0.3, 0.2, 0.6 and 0.5. If user enters the option 1, means you have to perform the union option, means you have to calculate the max element between the set A and set B. So in 1 and 0.3, 1 is the maximum. In 0.4 and 0.2, 0.4 is the maximum. So you are getting this output. If user enters the option 2, now you are going to calculate the intersection operation. In intersection operation, we are simply find out the minimum element. So in set A and set B, set A element is 1, 0.4, 0.6, 0.3. Set B elements are 0.3, 0.2, 0.6 and 0.5. So in 1 and 0.3, minimum element is 0.3. In 0.4 and 0.2, minimum element is 0.2. So you are getting this output. If user enters the option 3, then again you ask enter whether to find complement for first matrix or second matrix. If user enters the 1, means user wants the complement for the first matrix, and complement means we are going to subtract the matrix element from 1. The elements of the first matrix are 1, 0.4, 0.6 and 0.3. Now 1 minus 1 is the 0, 1 minus 0.4 is the 0.6, 1 minus 0.6 is the 0.4, 1 minus 0.3 is the 0.7. So this will be your output. Similarly, this is the output for the complement of second matrix. I hope all of you understand this video. If you have any questions, then please ask. Thank you.